Hi guys, welcome to Audrey channel. Today we're gonna open a fun dough.
Yeah, kind of copycat of Play-Doh, right?
Yeah.
Where you brought this?
I don't know. Taiwan. No, we're in Taipei, okay?
Yeah, we're in Taiwan, Taipei.
Yeah, oops, sorry, I was not showing you.
Close up.
I want to spin it and close up to you guys. We have 4 kinds of fun dough. Fun burger. Can we open it now? Okay, let's open it. When I was a baby, I said, let's open it. I didn't have to close up, you remember? How do you open it? Wait, what? Okay, I don't know how to. You open it. Oh. Whoa! Okay, don't need that. We don't have scissors, so you can help me open these. We have 4 colors of Play-Doh. Thanks, camera. Camera, Dad. I call you Dad or camera. Whatever I want? Okay, and I'll call you Dad. Because this is really my dad. Ah. Let's open this one. Let's take the orange out first before we take the molds, okay guys? Let's open the rest of the package. I know how to open the rest of the package. I know how to open the rest of the package. This mold, we have sticker. Whatever this is stickers. This mold. Let's get these French fry boxes. There and there is this one. This one's for this one and this one's for this.
Chicken nugget.
Which one's for chicken nuggets? Is this one for the French fry?
Yeah, this one is for French fry. This one is for chicken nugget.
Can I make the French fry?
Yeah, this is tape, double side tape.
Oh, how do you do it? You do it out. Look, I'll take the rest of the molds out when you do it. Oh, look at this. There is vegetables, cheese, French fry rolls. Made a lot of them. This is a double-sided tape. So let's try to make yellow cheese, guys. Open this fun dough. That was very hard to open, but I'm sure it's so soft. It's actually softer than Play-Doh, you guys. Okay? This is much more better. Play-Doh. This is a little bit hard, but it's still so cool. Look at this, guys. There's fun dough. Fun dough. It doesn't feel like Play-Doh. It feels hard. Let's try to make a French fry. This is my tactic, how to you put the Play-Doh, you put the molds down, and then you put the Play-Doh in this. No, it's supposed to be like this side. Let's put the Play-Doh, the fun dough. Put the fun dough in. It smells like Play-Doh, but it doesn't feel like Play-Doh, you guys. This is weird, right? So my dad is struggling, right? Maybe not do like that. The rest of my fun dough is here. So let's make it more soft so I can mold it. Okay, guys? My dad is struggling again. Once again, you're struggling, right? Okay. It's funny says that every time, right? You don't know? Do you guys know who is It's Funny? Do you know? Okay, then tell me, is she funny or is she not?
Should be funny.
She's not funny. Her channel name is It's Funny. Okay.
So you can make your French fries now.
It's Play-Doh. No, I mean Fun-Dough. It's not coming out. Come out, French fry. It's not working. It's not coming out. Oh, yes, it is. It's going to break. Oh, no.
No. It's ready.
Finally, my struggling French fry is here. It's a struggling French fry. It does look like a struggling French fry. It's too short. I don't need this French fry. I need some cheese. Please. Let's put this Fun-Dough in the cheese. No, we have to mold, make it softer a little bit. This is Fun with Toys. I mean Audrey channel and myToyS TV, right? Am I right? I say Audrey channel because I like to see that. Audrey's my name. It's channel name.
And today we are filming this video in Thai.
Taiwan Hotel. Name and bird.
Yeah, we're in a hotel.
That's soft enough. Let's.
We just go to those toy shop in the city, right?
Yeah, those ones supposed to be bigger. I thought it was supposed to be bigger, but you took me to small ones. So that's sad, right?
Yeah, I thought it is big, but in Thai it's no.
Small. What is wrong with Google? It's supposed to show cool things.
Well, anyway, this Friday we're going to Korea and we can go to those
No,
toy shops.
tomorrow.
No, tomorrow we are still in Taipei.
Yesterday, tomorrow.
You want to go to Seoul?
Yesterday, tomorrow is today. Okay, let's put some little bit more soft Fun-Dough. Okay, let's take it out. We made some flat cheese. Put some cheese. There's no burger maker. Oh, it's from here. Why is the burger so small?
I don't know.
You make cheese, but you can make what is this called? A yellow patty. You know what is a patty?
Meat.
Krabby Patty. And meat.
Where is my chicken nugget?
Oh, sorry, I don't know how to make chicken.
And you need to make a burger as well.
Oh. Okay, where is the chicken nugget maker? Okay, here. No, it's here. No, we need two big Fun-Dough. Go like this. Make some chicken nuggets. You guys, do you like eating chicken nuggets, guys?
Yes, of course.
They're not working. Too small, right, guys? Make it bigger so we can get it out. Look at our first made chicken nugget. Let's put it in the chicken nugget box. We can put this, make another chicken nugget. This is way too small to be a chicken nugget. Let's make this work, okay? Okay. Oh my gosh! Maybe this is not a.
Just two piece? Okay, that's fine. Two piece chicken nugget.
What?
No French fries?
I'm only playing with the yellow Play-Doh today in this video. Ooh, my. I can't make that big one, okay? I'm just making a yellow burger, okay? All is gonna be yellow, okay? Because I don't have enough time to make another color, okay? Dad. Blah, blah, blah. I don't have enough Fun-Dough. I don't have enough. Can I squeeze it? I'll squeeze these 2 chicken nuggets. So I can... It's not working. Oh, now it's working. Now this is our patty. Now we don't have a knife. Let's just use this to mold. 1 French fry. Okay, and then let's push it out. This is kind of nice patty fry. Do you like how I say patty fry? Got this. We squish it out. And then we're done. So bye guys, see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give us thumbs up. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. Bye.